Assalamu alaikum, this is me Atisham and you're watching my YouTube channel RILS The Lingua Expert. I'm the expert trainer of IELTS, PTE, OET, IELTS Life Skills and other English language proficiency exams. In this video, we're going to learn the basic concept and the difference between some and any. Usually, as a non-native speaker, we mostly misuse these two words in our day-to-day communication. So let's get to learn about the difference between some and any. Well, basically, the general rule of using any is that we use any for both negative and question sentences, while if we talk about the use of some, we use some with only positive expressions. So let's get to have few examples, and before we move on the examples, you have to note one point down that these two words, either it's any or some, we use with both countable and uncountable nouns. So let's get to first have few examples with a countable noun. If I construct a question and I use the word any, so I would say, do you need any book? Here the response, if it is negative, so you have to also use any in the response, and you will say that no, I don't need any books. So in both question and in negative sentences, you use any. Do you need any book? And the answer in negative, you say, no, I don't need any book. Now let's talk about the concept of some in the same expression. If you say a positive sentence in response to the earlier asked question that do you need any book, so you would say, yes, I need some books. So here you have used some instead of using any. Now let's get to have some examples with the uncountable nouns. If I take one uncountable noun and if that is sugar, so I would use a question, do you need any sugar? So the response, if it is a negative, you're going to also use any, and you're going to say that no, I don't need any sugar. But if you say it with a positive one, you would say, yes, I need some sugar. So this is the general rule of using any with both negatives and question, whereas we use some with the positive sentences. Here you have to note down one thing else, that some may also be used with questions typically showing request or offers, if you think that the answer would be positive. So let's get to have one or two examples. If I construct a sentence with respect to offer as a question, so I would use some. Would you like some coffee or tea? And here I haven't used any because this is showing offer. Now if I talk about a request, so the example would be, may I have some chocolates? So I won't say that may I have any chocolate. This would go wrong because this is for request, and the earlier sentence that I have used, it was for offer. So in such cases, we use some in the question, but if it shows either offer or request. So I hope that the difference between some and any is clear to you. If you still have any query with respect to this topic, you may feel free to ask me or type your message in the comment box below, and inshallah I will try my level best to respond you. Now if you have liked my video, please, I do request you to like and share my videos and also subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. I will see you inshallah in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.